Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm gonna just give you a quick, brief, short video showing you how to gain access to your engine compartment without bumping your head or having to worry about the hood being in the way. This is especially true if you're gonna do an engine swap, pulling the engine out, or you just need to gain better access because you need more light in there. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to it. So with your hood open, you're going to look on the driver's side and you're going to see a little red button right there. Take your finger and you're going to push this button in while holding the hood open. Push that button in. Then you're going to slide the hood all the way up until that red button goes into the upper notch, locking the hood into the upright position. As always, everyone, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you find these videos helpful. What that does, it pushes my videos up in the search results so that other Mercedes owners, drivers, do-it-yourselfers can find them easier. Thanks and peace out.